So let's take a look at how to use a pin mate slot. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into our assembly, and we have our piece right here, and we're going to place it right in here using the pin mate slot. Now the pin mate slot is right here, and this one is going to allow you to move a piece in an opening, which is the slot, in the direction that it is going. Now to do that, we just click on here, and we're going to open the pin mate slot here. Now it doesn't really matter which one I chose, because I could have taken any one of the mates and simply just taken this drop down menu here, the mate type, and just chosen it anyway. So we're going to take the pin mate slot anyway, and we're going to click on the body. And I like taking the center point of the body, and you can choose either the top or the bottom. I like to have the middle. It's just my preference. So I'm going to take the middle, and once it's selected, you'll see it pop up right here, make connector to peg square. And then we're going to take the slot that we have open here, and I'm going to take it to the back. And when I do choose the back of the slot, you see it gives me 3 options. Now I can move up and down, but the options disappear. So what I'm going to do is, if I hold down my shift key on my keyboard, that keeps the selection open, and then I can scroll down and choose whichever one I want. So I'm going to take, again, the middle of this slot, and now my slot is complete. Now, again, if I want to spin this and I choose that I want the direction to be opposite, I just click on this arrow, and it changes the direction of my mate. See, primary flip axis. So this makes me change that right there. And this would let me change the secondary axis, so I can rotate however I want if I had a piece that I wanted a different position. Okay. So now, if I play this, it's going to move it in like that. But it's going to keep moving backward and forward. So the problem is, we don't want it to go in that direction. We want it to go in a different. So we'll just finish this right here. Okay. And now we have this in here. So now it's just moving like this. So what we need to do is we need to just make sure that we have a way to stop it from moving out. And we'll talk about that in the next video when we talk about limits. So this is your pin mate slot. So guys, have fun.